It's not that funny. I got food poisoning from McDonald's. So, I'm going to get a sick day in my life. I'm about to get my hair washed. Cause I want to get my hair done. I feel like crap. My face looks so dead, and I wash my face and brush my teeth. I need teeth whitening. Ah, cavities. Ew.
There it is. I miss your more than this. I don't remember the rest of it. I'm really glad to do the next one. We took it the first part.
Oh my god.
Can we now?
Oh, my neck fat.
How feeling on my heart. She just listens. I turn away. Her attention. I pull it out.
This would be a cute hairstyle.
Girl. Back here raking leaves.
Crying. Y'all, Jay just made me throw up.
Girl, bye. I
So-
was at McDonald's.
I'm hungry now. And I'm definitely sleepy. You know how you throw up and you just be sleepy? That's me at this current moment. I'm hungry. I'm sleepy. If I wasn't getting my hair done, I would have definitely went home after J Blow dropped my hair. Jay, don't say nothing crazy. If y'all in the Glassboro, what's this? Glassboro, Washington Township area,
Gloucester County.
come to Salon Dream and get slayed. I don't do wigs, I don't do weaves, so don't ask me. Y'all gonna book with Kia Dream, because y'all not booking with me. Because I don't do it.
Period.
Not yet. I don't do them yet, y'all. I gotta practice some more.
Hi.
Bye. She gonna say okay.
Crazy, you gonna do me like that during Black History Month?
Girl, I'm white. She know I'm white. She clearly can see I'm white. I just got a really good tan. I told somebody that and they got mad. I was like, I'm white. I just got a really good tan. Yo,
I think I found your husband.
he got money? Then you ain't found my husband. My hair is done. Yo, why the hair started melting? Beauty Forever. No, this is Rosabeauty Hair. So y'all owe me some monies, and I'm definitely about to contact them and be like, when I put heat to it, my hair started melting. Yes, product review. Don't go get this stuff. All right, let me show y'all what it looks like in the mirror without the light. I'm fine. Somebody again. I feel like somebody. Y'all know my hair long, so it's like. All right, my hair is kind of like almost like this close.
Yeah, exactly.
It's still a lot longer than my hair. Y'all see these edges? Get into these edges, cause y'all ain't gonna see them again. Cause y'all ain't gonna see them again. I don't do edges. Y'all be seeing how I come in here with my edges. I don't be doing edges. I'm gonna end this video out here. I meant to show you guys how I put my hair into my bonnet. Y'all know this is the long braid bonnet from Sugar Ink, which is perfect for my bundles. My bundles do stop literally like at the top of my little backbone because y'all ain't got a butt. And this braid bonnet is perfect. It literally stops at the exact same place too. Excuse me, I'm tired. I done took a shower. I done oiled my body down with this calm oil that I'm testing. It's like supposed to be like a sleep aid, like a natural sleep aid. So we're testing that out right now. Get out my mini fridge. Emery, y'all should be asleep. Crazy. First impressions of the hair. It's super. Stop. Get out of there. It's super soft. However, I wouldn't recommend it because as soon as she put heat to it, like the end started to kind of like fizzle up. So yeah. I did get this from AliExpress though because I needed something quick. Stop. I just wanted some quick bundles because I kind of wanted my hair done for right now. Probably do something different when I take this out. But it was Rosabeauty Boutique store or something like that on AliExpress. So I would not recommend. Can it fit? Oh, you putting your cup in my refrigerator. Okay, we might have to pull one of these out. Watch out. And then push a cup in there. Can it fit? It can't fit. All right, look, I'm gonna do you one better. I'm gonna take two out and then put your cup in there. Can it fit now? Yeah. All right, leave it. Let it get cold. So yeah, it was Rosabeauty. I will, if anything, if I can link it, I will link it. But maybe it was this batch of bundles that I got, because the reviews were great, which is why I hate this piece. Which is why I got my bundles from them, because their reviews were pretty good. But however, once we put heat to it, it started to fizz. But I think it also could be because she put spritz on it, and not all hair agrees with the spritz. Because honestly speaking, I don't really like spritz either way. Yeah, I'm about to beat Emery up. So yeah, no, stop now. It can't fit. Okay, we're gonna go get you some ice. Look at me. We're gonna go get you some ice in a little bit, okay? Wait. He's tired. Get up here. Come on. Y'all, he's tired. I done washed him, rubbed him down with some oil too. He should have been asleep. Koi sleeping. Koi sleeping. You like mommy hair? Yes. My hair, my actual natural hair is about 20 inches, I believe, because my natural hair, I have two bundles in too. I have the 22-inch bundle and then the 20-inch bundle in. I should have just got all 22, but literally my natural hair is probably like 2 or 3 inches shorter, so it's not 20 inches. It's like 2 or 3 inches shorter than the 20-inch bundle. But the 22 is definitely longer than my hair, like I told them it was gonna be. So yeah, Aside from it, the hair is really soft. I love the fact that the hair is really, really soft. But again, it is day one. The ends, because it wasn't like the strands, it was the ends, did fizzle up once she put spritz on it and then put her flat iron through it. So it may be that, because I am, of course, you know, gonna try to do like some wand curls and stuff. And I don't really use spritz on my hair or my bundles. I use the Sexy Hair smoothing seal. So no snacks, no. So yeah, I'm gonna go edit this so I can try to post this by tomorrow.